Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Froggy NZ.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
Well, this is a cool bike. Like, I don't know, I mean, that's obviously not a beginner's bike because it's a 1000. It's a great little bike to get once you go from the 650 or whatever, learner approved bike, you go onto this. This is fucking cool. There's plenty of growth. I'm loving motovlogging, just trying heaps of different bikes all the time, and my mates are so kind to let me use the bike. I really appreciate it, guys. So a big thank you to Smokey for trusting me with his bike, but yet again, fuck you, because I'm letting you ride mine as well, so we're even Steven. Smokey's a great fella. Dashboards, you can see petrol gauge. Froggy! In saying the truth, guys, I never thought that this Firestorm would be so much fun. Firestorm Honda. So yeah, so check out Kiwi Badger's channel, because he rides the same bike, just red. Difference, the only difference, slight difference. The tank on this one is bigger just because it's an 2003 model as opposed to his 1997. But it's the same, I believe it's the same horsepower and all that. Just bigger tank, different color, that's about it. So I think you get the same amount of fun on his bike. Oh, I'll tell you what the difference is though, is that I get cold hands on his bike, whereas on mine I've got those wind deflectors on there, and I get completely shielded from that. The body's alright, it's just my hand is getting a bit cold. 1 kilometer, turn right. It's that one there. It's that one there. It's the house there. It's the house there. Well, it doesn't tell me where it is, bro. It's the first time I come here. Okay, you guys turn and it's that first house on the left. Oh, okay. Okay. Hola! Hola! That's his bike. That's his bike, we swapped. It's Jono's. I just love those little group rides we do. So I'm part of two crews, the Black Sheep and another crew called the Blue Gats. And they're all really great bunch of guys. I just love, it's very social, very friendly. It's all about your love of motorcycle and getting together. And for example, we did a ride to Taranaki last April, I believe it was. And anyway, and you just all get together on a Friday night, then on a Saturday, so on a Friday night, so you all get together and all meet at the same hotel and all kind of meet one another for the first time, because we're scattered all over New Zealand. So you get to know new people, which is great, and they got their own bike and you can discuss the bike or discuss other things. And then the next day you get up, and luckily the weather was amazing, and you just get ready to go for a ride, and then you enjoy a nice ride. So you ride for maybe an hour and you stop into a little bar, pubby, restaurant thing and have a bit of a snack and a drink, and then for maybe half an hour, and then go for another ride, or carry on with the ride at least. And then you stop to do some side viewing, you know, some scenery, observation thingy. Excuse my Frenchness, say such a word. Anyway, and yeah, so I really enjoyed that. And then on Saturday night you go back and you have a nice big barbecue with the crew and discuss a day, and you took heaps of photos and put them on Facebook and all sorts. And I love that. And then on the Sunday everybody goes home where they come from, and we do that a couple of times a year, so it's awesome. But what we do here with the Black Sheep, because it's only in my area really, my mates, we just do little rides like this. One of our members is sick, so we just excuse me, we just go and visit him. Look at the crew behind in the mirror. Yeah, so we just go and visit him and check on him and make sure that he knows he's not forgotten. And I think, yeah, that's what makes us a great bunch of mates. What else can we talk about? Oh yeah, if you know, talking about my own crew and stuff, if you guys are part of an MC or, you know, a group or something, social group or something on motorcycles, please put in the comment what the name of it, and if you have your own patch or something. I put a photo of the Black Sheep patch in the video somewhere about now.